Hi traders, today is 27th of November 2019. We are now live trading E-mini S&P futures 500, S&P 500. So at this moment I'm at the short sell position, just entered the market at 31.46. So as you can see that we are entering for a short sell position as indicated in my live trading broadcast, which also send out the signal for the E-mini supposed to be at 31.46. So we already in the market and I'm expecting to take a profit somewhere 31.43.75. So this will be a quick scalp, and that's what I'm expecting for the current situation. So we are positive. So let's go back to the chart. It's 0 at this moment, and let's wait for the next price movement, whether this will be a good trade or not. So far plus 12. Let's wait. We are on the market for one tick, and I already queue for my TP target, which is somewhere here. So let's wait for the next couple of minutes during the volume from the US session to push the price further down. So at this moment still too early to justify, and based on the current situation could be a minor pullback or a reversal, a full reversal of the direction. So let's wait. Okay, looks good because the volume didn't spike to the upper side. So let's expect that the market will go further down and will take profit nice and easy. That's what I'm expecting at this moment. The price still at the same level. Okay, now if we break further, that's good. So let's take a look on this chart. The chart is reflect to the crude oil. Okay, looks good. So we are about $37.5 dollar. This is a one lot position size, so I will exit at 31.43.75. That's the price I'm targeting at this moment. Okay, looks good for E-mini at this moment. Maintain at a plus 37.5 US dollar in profit. So we are expecting for the market to shoot down, and hopefully there is no reverse to the upper side. So this is what I'm targeting at this moment to hit the, based on the current hidden volume, you might go to this 31.43.75 on our buy limit order for the taking profit activity. Okay, now we're entering a new candle. So let's wait. Hopefully everything's go one big red candle to the downside. So now the price the reverse back for E-mini. We also have a short sell position. We have a good short sell position at 58.39 for the crude oil. This one is a chart for crude oil, and from my live trading signal as well, I have sent out the signal. As you can see, same 58.39 is the our entry. Then we will exit at 58.26. So price might go further down, but we only do scalping during US session, so the estimate time is less, maybe within 15 minutes time, or better less than 10 minutes times. That's what we are targeting at this moment. So this is based from my day trading strategy I invented myself. There's a link below in description. Feel free to click on it. Could be today you will see the epic price movement to the downside area as a short sell position, especially for the crude oil. And for E-mini, still positive. It's still positive at this moment. Hopefully the price will not go further up and go down to the targeted TP area. So let's wait patiently. So for crude oil, still not yet been filled. Okay, any moment for crude oil, they will be the order will be filled, and hopefully we'll go. Okay, we fill. we fill for crude oil. So I need to send out that indicate the order already filled. So just keep watching this chart over here, this one. So market already passed, and we hope for the quick scalping. Okay, looks good, very fast. So hope to clear it within 5 minutes time. So the TP target is down here for a quick 30 minutes. It was a good one. Hopefully this one is epic trade. So let's wait. Okay, we're almost there. We hit. No, yet. Shoot, price reverse back. But it's okay. 2 more ticks or 3 more ticks. So on the volume, you can see this is where I will exit the market, and now the price reverse back slightly higher. It was a good one. Profit now is 120, 80, 60. Okay, that was a big pullback, and so you can still extend for this profit taking activity to the price level of 58.10. Another 10 more ticks to the downside, but should be enough. This is a quick scalping. For quick scalping. Okay, let's wait. Hopefully the price will hit our TP area. Once we hit then there will be high volume waiting on the downside. So as you can see, had a waiting at 58.25. We almost hit. So we almost hit our position. Yeah, shouldn't be a problem. 143 waiting over here at the buying area. So let's hope this one big red candle will fill our exit. Just a few more ticks. So there's a double volume, high volume waiting at 58.26 and 58.25. So once it's been through here, then I'm expecting for the market to go further down to 58.20, 58.15 around the area, and might go toward to 58.00. So this is second time the price reverse back to the upper side. Okay, let's take a look on the higher side. There's no larger volume waiting, so we are in the good situation for the market for a quick profit. So let's wait. Okay, looks good. Where the price now? 50.27. 220, 200. So I'm targeting around 200 to 400 every day for the day trading profit target activity. So now it's 220, 260. We hit. I think based on the slippage, we hit. It was a good one. We hit. It was a good one. Never mind if the price tried to go further down. So as for crude oil, we have a profit of 260 for today. And that's all for today. There's a link below. Feel free to subscribe this channel as well. Like, share, comment. Thank you. Bye bye.